Have you ever felt frustrated with your iPhone? Maybe your brightness keeps changing or your camera opens by accident. Stop Mail Link preview cards. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select M. Tap Mail from the list of apps. Scroll down to the Composing section. Turn off Add Link previews. Now, open the Mail app on your device. Create a new email message. Paste a website link into the email body. The link will appear as a simple text URL instead of a large preview card. Keep ringer volume unchanged. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Locate the ringer and alerts section. Turn off the Change with Buttons option. Now press the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. The buttons will adjust media volume only. Your ringtone and notification volume will remain unchanged. Adjust ringer volume manually if needed. This helps prevent accidental changes to your ringtone volume. Stop auto brightness on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Select Display and Text Size. Scroll to the very bottom of the page. Find the Auto Brightness option. Turn Auto Brightness off. Next, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Adjust the brightness slider to your preferred level. Your iPhone will no longer automatically adjust the screen brightness. Adjust the flashlight brightness. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Locate the flashlight icon. Press and hold the flashlight button. A brightness slider will appear on the screen. Drag the slider up or down to adjust the brightness. Choose the level that works best for you. Release your finger to save the setting. Your iPhone will remember the last brightness level you used. Hide screenshots from photos. Open the Photos app on your device. Tap the Filter button in the top right corner. Select View Options from the menu. Find the Screenshots option. Disable screenshots from the filter list. Return to your main photo library. Your screenshots will no longer appear in the main feed. To access your screenshots later, tap Collections at the bottom. Scroll down and open Media Types. Select Screenshots to view all of your saved screenshots in one place. Stop accidental camera launches. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on Camera. Select Camera Control at the top. Locate the activation setting. Change the launch action from single click to double click. Turn on Require Screen On. Lock your iPhone and use it as you normally would. The camera app will be much less likely to open by accident. Disable live photos permanently. Open the camera app on your device. Make sure you're in photo mode. Tap the menu button near the shutter button. Locate the live photo icon. Tap it to turn live photos off. Next, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Select Preserve Settings at the bottom. Scroll down and turn on the Live Photo toggle. Your iPhone will now remember your live photo preference. Use Spotlight to find apps. From your home screen, swipe down anywhere on the screen. Spotlight search will instantly appear. Type the name of the app you're looking for. Tap the app when it appears. Use Spotlight to search files. Search messages and contacts. Perform quick calculations without opening the calculator app. Convert units and currencies. It's one of the fastest ways to navigate your iPhone. Stop spam calls on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select P. Tap Phone from the list of apps. Scroll down to the Screen Unknown Caller section. Choose Silence, or select the Ask Reason for Calling option. Your iPhone will automatically filter calls from unknown numbers. Calls from people in your contacts will still come through normally. Drag and drop content between apps. Open any app containing text or images. Touch and hold the content you want to move. Keep holding it with one finger. Use another finger to switch to a different app. Open Notes, Messages, Mail, or any supported app. Drag the content to where you want it. Release your finger to drop it instantly. Move photos, text, documents, and links with ease. No copying and pasting required. Save time and multitask like a pro. And that's it.